Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to join Discord Brainrot trading. First, locate the official Discord server for the game, often linked in the game's description or on its social media. Once you have the invite, click to join the server. Upon entry, take a moment to read through the server's rules and any specific trading guidelines. Understanding these rules is crucial for a smooth and safe experience within the community. This initial step sets the foundation for your trading journey. Once you're in the Discord server, browse the trading channels to find offers that match your interests. When you find a potential trade, communicate clearly what you are offering and what you expect in return. The actual exchange of items usually happens in a private game server, not directly on Discord. For trades involving valuable items, it is highly recommended to use a trusted middleman, often a verified member of the community, to ensure fairness and prevent scams. Safety is paramount when trading. Always check the reputation of the person you are trading with, look for positive feedback or verified status. A significant red flag is if someone insists you trade your items first. Never agree to this if you feel uncomfortable. During the actual trade in the game, meticulously double-check that all items are correctly displayed in the trade window before you confirm the transaction. Taking these precautions can help protect your valuable brainrots. To maximize your trading success, actively participate in the Discord community. Engaging in discussions helps build your reputation and can lead to discovering new trading partners or opportunities. Stay informed about game updates, events, and new item releases, as this knowledge can give you an edge in the marketplace. Remember to check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof containers, plus other great deals. Being well-informed and connected will significantly enhance your overall trading experience and help you achieve your goals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.